All right, look at the center console. It was, and I'm going to show you. All right, so since I have this Grand Highlander here and I need power for my, that's what this is, for the dash cam I just put up, that video you'll find somewhere. We gotta get to the glove box because we need power. So I'm gonna show you how to take it apart. So this goes back. Let's show you. Let's go back in time. See if we can find what happened. So there you go. That goes back. All right. Screw. 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 Okay, technically you don't have to drop this down, but I did because the cabin filter was right there. So 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3. But if you want to pull the glove box down, pull this guy out of the way, and you have to squeeze the 2 tabs. Squeeze the glove box. These guys. All right. I'm sure you can get that far. Pull these guys in. This guy will fall out in your hands. And then you can throw them wherever you want. Just like this thing's falling all over. Look how much plastic. All plastic. Plastic, plastic, plastic. There you go. Stay there. And you can go back over here. Alright. So back to the 4 tabs. This pops out. And there's a 10 mil right there. And there's a 10 mil right there. But you have to remove this guy here. Gotta buy this tool. This thing's awesome. Go up under. Go up under. Alright, and this pops off this wonderful plastic Grand Highlander. Pops out. There you go. Now, more of plastic. Alright. Black push pin. Just turn it. It'll pop right out. This guy right here. Same tool. I grab here. And I sort of pull here. And you got two tabs holding this in. Get this guy out of your way. That's where the 10 mil is. So everything removed. And this door that's sitting right there. Again, same tool. Pull this guy out. Right? Wedge this guy in between the dash. Pop her out. Alright, now you can pull. But can't do that because you have to pull this out of the way. So you gotta pull this guy out up out of your way, because this tucks up behind it. Of course. Why not? So there you go. Now we get to the glove box. Unplug USB and take the jaws of life off of her. That little clip right there. Just pull her right off. Squeeze, squeeze, and that comes out. So that's part of moving forward. Now look at this. I don't have enough room to put all these parts. Now, next, this little push pin. This pops out of the center. You see? I'll use this guy to nab at it. Gotta get this guy. Alright. Pulls the center out, pops out. The rest pops upward. Upward. More clips. Clip, clip, clip. Alright. Now we're seeing the skeleton of this thing. So let's keep going. We're going to go to the other side and get the other side out where the push button start is, and we're going to move on. Alright, so back to the center console. Now pull this side out, and that removes the push button start. So pull the wire downward towards you and get this puppy out of the way. Do I have to unplug her? I guess I could. I don't think it really matters, but we'll see. We'll get that far. So let's continue on with the center console. Same as the other side. Should be one over here. That little guy's got to come out. So let's get him out. Put him on the seat so you don't lose him. Now let's pull this side up. There we go. All right, more skeleton. Now I'm only assuming, because I love to assume, this has got to pop out. But probably not. Let's go to the back seat, move the seats upward, and reveal more of the back seat. Let's go see. What a huge undertaking. Now, with the whole car just about ripped apart, gotta love it. Let's go back in time again. We're going to put these guys back and pretend we never took them out. Alright. This guy did pop out, like I said. And he is somewhere buried in here. I don't know. Where did I throw him? Throw him somewhere. Oh. Where are you, sir? Where did you go? I don't know where I did with him. Oh, here it is. Here we go. This guy right here. Pop this guy out. Handy dandy tool. Up under. Alright, let's put this guy back. Alright, similar to that. You want to go up under, pull outward. Pull outward. Alright, plug. Plug AC and something else. Nothing, a knockout. Rear head controls. Pop out. Unplug, 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 unplug. Alright, now with guessing, more guessing, I got this guy out and this guy out. 2 10 mils right there. Now she's starting to move. And so I took out now this puppy. I have to sort of weasel my way back over there. Let me show you. Shifter has to come out. All right. Push this guy down. Pull this guy out. The shifter pops out. Capiche? Getting there so far? Now, that is going to release the actual pressure of this guy. See how the whole thing's starting to come out? There we go. Now let's start unplugging everything. Let's hope we remember where they go. So, we're going to unplug everything. Is that all we needed yet? There we go. All we needed is those two. Look at it. Gotta love it. I love brand new cars. We're getting there. Now, anyone want to tell me what this is? This big void, what we can use this for? So, technically, that's this whole center console. Let's see if we can get these 2 10 mils out. And I bet you can. Yeah, these two. Look like the rest of the center console will make it pop out. And then we got a screw there and a screw on the other side. So let's take them out and see what we got. Alright, so I took the 10 mils out. And amongst all this, I lost my drill. I don't know where my drill is. I think I gotta take this one out and this one out to help with the rest of the disassembling, because you could see it moving. I bet you these two help. So let's find the drill. I don't know where it is. Found him. Oops. All right, let's try. Let's take the rest of these screws out. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. She's moving. Now, let's get these two guys out and see if that's the rest of it. I doubt it. I guarantee there's more to it. So, let's get this guy out. Oh. Well, let's keep it together. Keep it together, folks. Keep it together. Let's get this guy out of the way, because we have to relieve pressure. Let's go get the other one. Yep. So, with this panel up out of the way, that sits right there. There's another screw right there, and this whole puppy is out and about. Let's go see. Excuse me. All right. You see? Hey, look, an airbag module. There you have it. That's got to be an airbag module. But we're not going to touch it. So, there you have it. The whole thing's out. Unplug the rest of the harnesses. 1, 2. Let's do that. There you go. Those last 2 plugs right here. Pulled it right from there. That little safety clip. And this whole puppy is out. So, there you have it. Alright, let's put back what we took out. So, this guy was out all the way. This guide has to go back into that dash. Make sure these harnesses are out of the way. And you got these alignment points back. So you sort of want to make sure all the pressure is relieved. We're going to go back on the other side, make sure this puppy is lined up as well. There's a little alignment point right there around that little paw. Want to make that sure that goes back in. Let's go on the other side and make sure that that's all lined up so everything can go back as if we never touched it. Yep, another guide right there. Want to make sure this puppy sits back in there. Come on. So the whole thing can go sit. Make this align back up. So can't do it with my broken arm. I need more leverage, and I ain't got it. So we got to get this guy lined up. So let's do that. And that wasn't too bad. I had to lift it from the back end to get it up and over. So everything's lined back up. Plug these guys back in. Make sure everything plugs back in, buddy. You're the one who took it apart. Yeah. Now this guy goes back in. There you go. Now you can see everything's still plugged in or out. So let's put it all back. Screw. Screw. You don't have to watch the rest of this. If you know how to put it all back yourself, go right ahead. I'm putting everything back to show you that this is a brand new car and I was never in here. So let's put these screws back. Got another screw right here. Alright. Another one on that side, which is this puppy right here. And so let's continue on. 2 bolts going back, 2 screws at the edge of down there, and 1 right there. Got that back. Top first. Let's plug them in. Back side. In. Just to line them up and smack them in. Alright, we're getting there. Alright, there's alignment points right at the edge of this guy. Alright, let's pull it back out. These guys go right up in the corner. You're gonna feel it. You might not see it, but you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it go right in. You just want to make sure that this puppy is up high enough. So you sort of see. So I want to go make sure the harnesses are up over. These don't get caught, and she will lay eventually. Let's play. So there's 2 more tabs at the end of this guy. You sort of see them right. You see those? See how sort of, there you go. Now you'll see it all sit in place. But make sure you plug these puppies back in. Make sure these puppies work. So let's get them plugged in. Don't forget those 2. That's this guy. Yeah. And now push, pop, 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 shifter. Get this guy back on. All right, so got the clip on. Down, in. I ain't going nowhere. Let's pull our pants back up because we don't want to see this. Not in public. Not in public. There you go. Now, armrests. See, as if I was never here. Isn't that the way it is? Isn't that how you want it? Make sure no one knows that you're there. Let's see, where's the other one? I don't know where the other one is. Oh, here it is. Nope. Alright, we lost it. Well, holy Moses. It's starting to come back together as if we never here. There you go. That's in, that's in. Don't forget those little push pins. Yeah. We're going to push that guy back over. We're going to push this guy back in because we're done with this side. We get the 1 screw back in there. This guy slaps back in. There we go. Now, push start. Button. Make sure that puppy goes back. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Now, with everything back into place, we were never here. There you go. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.